likes and remembering the ones we lost. Sharing this video to spread the word is all we can do. Thank you. There's something right at the end there. There's like some kind of text underneath the middle, and then I believe this is a picture of Luke on, and then a hallway. Dude, I'm an hour and 10 minutes into this recording, and I'm only 2 videos in right now. Just to recap, so in 2017, kids were reported missing. Most of the parents and kids were missing reported seeing the black figure in their kids' room. Some of the children ended up being found, but they have no memory. It seems like 10 of them were found, because we know that 7 of them end up dead later. But 10 of the children were found, and it seems like no memory of anything happening, but they do remember their yuppie dolls saying some weird things on the night that they did disappear, but they don't specify what that is. 3 weeks after, it seems that the parents of the missing children can still see this like figure in their kids' room sometimes, in their houses, and even sometimes still see the yuppie doll, even though they got rid of the yuppie doll, or it may not even actually be there. And we do end up getting a few recordings like this one. And obviously you see it there with the yuppie doll, right? And then we get this one, but this one's a lot more confusing. They lock me away. It encases my pain. Now, here's the thing that I want to point out. This one looks a bit different, and maybe I'm overthinking that a bit, but that face structure looks different compared to this one. Like, the eyes seem to be a lot bigger on this one, and the nose is a bit sharper. And then this one, the nose is longer, but the eyes seem to be smaller. And then even the one in the end also looks different, because it does have a pointy nose, but the eyes seem to be bigger here, more rounded and larger. And then even after these recordings were made a few weeks later, all 7 of the children were found dead in an abandoned house. And they were found with slight bruising and swelling. And then it seems that all the yuppie dolls ended up being burned or locked away, because these parents realized that this had something to do with the yuppie doll, and that doll is cursed, so let's just get rid of it entirely. Okay, I had originally talked about a theory for 10 minutes until I realized that I was totally wrong, because I misunderstood what the creature says at the end of the video. But I've sat down and gone over this again, so I'm just gonna re-explain the information to you. So right before the creature starts speaking, we actually do get text on screen for 2 frames, and it says Luke wants to blank you. I'm not sure what this word is. It could be Luke wants to warn you, Luke wants to show you. I want to say it's probably warns you, at least that's the word I feel like could fit there, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, what the creature says is so hard to understand because the voice is so distorted, but I sat here for a very long time, and I think I got about 90% of what it says, except for a few missing words here or there. So I'm going to play the video back for you guys with my own subtitles added to it, and here's what I got. Footage we're seeing, I guess, it could be from Luke's perspective before he got taken, and it's honestly just very disturbing hearing these things be said to a child. I don't think there's any, exact relevance to the lore of this creature or to explaining why it does what it does. I will say it bothers me a lot that I can't get the beginning of that first sentence during the second part, because it sounds like it's saying your or your blank help won't prevent me from loving you, but it doesn't sound like parents. So I'm not sure what word would fit there. Now, one thing I do have to say is I'm honestly unsure if there's multiple creatures or just one attached to all the yuppie dolls, because sometimes the creature's face looks exactly the same in different appearances, and sometimes it looks like it has different grandma's for the weekend because mom and dad are out. Hey, we got things to grandma's house. Grandma wants me to play with the kids next door. They seem mean. I've been feeling pretty bored today. My grandma showed me the basement last night. She showed me her glass collection. Sick? Sounds like a grandma thing. I don't like the basement. It freaks me out. I agree with you. Oh, no, that's a creepy ass basement. It's there. She got me a present. It's a yuppie. I've wanted one real bad. Bedtime.